Chef Sal, Keto Eggplant Lasagna with meatballs. For the meatballs, 2 cloves of minced garlic. Easy. Speaking of meatballs, pound the chopped meat. 1 egg, stick it in there. No big deal. For the sauce, mince up 2 more garlic cloves. Easy. About a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, or you can use oregano. It's up to you. There's an ingredient in these meatballs I'm leaving out. People think you need it. You don't need it. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Half an onion. Slice it up. Don't put it in the meatballs. Gross. That's what the garlic's for. If you're pure keto, leave this out. Just a little red wine. Just a little dot. It'll bring down the acidity. Tomatoes here, the puree. We're going to use a whole can. For the lasagna itself, mozzarella cheese. Give me a pound. Give me a pound of ricotta. Ricotta. Keto breadcrumbs. If you can't find them in the store, write in the comments. All right, let's cook. I don't have much time left. Guys, Chef Sal here. Quickie video. You're going to love this one. Now, where were we? Right, the noodles. Keto noodles, yeah, they're out there. But really, keto noodles? So here's what you're going to use. Eggplants. You damn me. Here's the deal. You know what people think you need in your meatballs, and you really don't? Breadcrumbs. We're using the keto breadcrumbs to fry up the eggplant. Now, speaking of this, anybody out there have something else we can use that's keto, but not noodles? I came up with eggplant, and it's going to be great. Write in the comments, let me know. Oven on 350. Let's get cooking. Medium saucepan, medium high heat. You want to punish these onions. Onions down. Stir them around, let them get soft. Translucent is the word, like those bathroom windows when you were growing up. Time for the Italian seasoning. In. Stir it around. The whole process is going to take you to this point probably around 3 or 4 minutes. While that's going, you're going to slice these up and you're going to bread them. I'll show you. It's been 3 or 4 minutes. That's what I told you. I put the garlic in. Remember? 2 cloves. Grated, minced. Use your own words. I don't care. Don't let it go more than a minute or so. When you start smelling garlic in the house, time to tamper it down with some of this wine. You don't have to use wine, but it will soften the sauce a little. It won't be so acidic, right? Once I get this sauce going, I'm going to slice up that eggplant, bread it, fry it, and I'm going to make the meatballs, drop them in the sauce, and let it go an hour. 1 hour. Salt. Give me about a teaspoon. Fresh ground black pepper. If you don't have a pepper mill, go get them. They're in Target for like $5.99. Get a coupon. Just get a freaking coupon. 28-ounce can of puree, tomato puree. Load of the pan. Save on dry cleaning. There's a lot in there. There's about like a lot in there. Technical term. Half a cup of water in that can. Swirl it around. Just keep it at medium-high until it bubbles. As soon as it bubbles, turn it down to simmer, low. Put it on the back burner. Another teaspoon salt. A little more pepper. Taste it for seasoning. Use a spoon. You need your pinkies. I got the pound of beef here. Don't do what I just did. I know how to do it to get the shells out, but you don't, okay? Put the egg in a cup first. Inspect it for shells and move on in your life. 2 cloves of garlic in here. Teaspoon of salt. Little pepper. Are we sensing a theme? Here, about that big. A little bigger than a golf ball. And just drop it right in the sauce. Don't move them. Cover it. Let them get hard before you mix it up. Otherwise, you're going to have freaking meat sauce. Here's where you're going to dry the eggplants once you dip them in all my stuff. A couple of eggs, a little water, and keto breadcrumbs. That's 2 eggplants. I don't even need the 3 of them. Just a little bit in there, a little bit in here, back in here, and in. Okay, thermometer 325. Lay it in. Don't throw it in. You'll start getting brown around the edges. Look. Flipping. Shark alert, shark alert, shark alert. Out of the oil. That's a real Italian gravy. That's been going an hour. 350 on the oven. 1 egg into 1 pound ricotta. Sprinkle mozzarella inside and outside. Layer these in with the meatballs. Alternate. Sauce. Coat the bottom. First layers down. Let's put a blob of this ricotta and egg on each one. Scrape this parm in there. Scrape it. Meatballs. Layer them. Sauce alert. Don't soak it. Last round, mozzarella. Push it down. Don't forget the parm. Another tip, so it doesn't stick. In the oven, 350. Put it on a sheet. See you in an hour. Right out of the oven. Check it out. Whoa. Whoa. Chef Sal's crazy cooking show. Comment on the bottom. Let me know what you use for noodles that are keto. I think eggplant works. Try this one. Let me know. I don't know. What do I know? I'm just Chef Sal. See you next time.